Welcome to technical drawing. In this we will draw how to draw circle in isometric. Now the diameter is 50, so we have to draw rhombus of side 50. So first we will draw rhombus. This is called 4 center method. So first we will draw rhombus. We'll mark side 50, 50, 50 and we'll complete the rhombus. After drawing this, whenever you want to start, first you always draw longest diagonal. So I will draw longest diagonal. After that, any one side you can mark midpoint. See this. On the upper side we are marking midpoint on both the sides. There are 4 sides. This is 1, this is 2, this is M, this is M. Then join 1 to M. Then you take 1 to M in your compass and you draw arc. Now maintain the same radius. From 2 also you can draw the radius. Now this is point 3 and 4. Again you take 3 to M in your compass and you draw radius. Same way 4 to M. So we are done with this rhombus. Now in this case, again you draw longest diagonal, mark midpoint, midpoint. This is 1, 2 is already there, and M. So if you want to draw it on the left hand side, this is how you do it. Again you take 1 to M and you draw arc. Same radius, from 2 you can draw arc. Then from 3, this is point 3 and 4. 3 to M. And 4 to M. See this, again you draw longest diagonal, 1 to M, you draw line, take 1 to M as radius and draw curve from 1, then from 2, maintain the same radius, you draw arc, then this is point 3 and 4, from 3 to M, again you draw radius and 4 to M. Thank you.